Remember you said, now what? It's all your fault.
Okay, so you can't just be.
Where did your mom go? It's in the back room. It went to the back room. Vanessa, go.
No. If it flies out, it's... How? It couldn't have gone...
Hello, little birdie. Hello. Hello, little birdie.
Oh my god.
It's scared.
It is scared, but...
What do we do?
I don't know.
No, you're not going into the bathroom. Oh my gosh.
It needs to find its way out.
Stay away from the cheesies.
It would be feed
Oh my gosh, like what is he doing? Oh my god, it's gonna kill me. Look at it, look at me.
Closing the door. Okay, go with his side. Go.
Oh, run, run!